If your PowerDash Pet Plus or PowerDash Advanced Carpet Cleaner is experiencing low or no suction, let's go through some common troubleshooting steps to get you back to cleaning. First, remove the dirty water tank, take off the lid, and empty the tank out completely. Then check these two rubber seals for any built-up debris and use a cloth to remove any. Make sure to also remove any debris from inside the filter basket. Next, remove the nozzle and clean out any clogs or debris from the connection port. You should also check the nozzle connection port here and the nozzle air path here for any buildup and remove it. Then align these two tabs with the base of your PowerDash and rock the nozzle until it clicks into place. Finally, reassemble your dirty water tank, ensuring there are no gaps between the tank and the lid. Then reattach your dirty water tank to the PowerDash by rocking it forward until it clicks into place. If the hose attachment on your PowerDash Advanced has low or no suction, first remove the attachment tool from the hose. Then check both ends for any clogs or buildup and remove them. And here's a pro tip. You can take a small coin and drop it down the hose. If the coin passes through, the hose is clear and ready for use. At this point, if you're still experiencing low or no suction, please do not hesitate to chat with us at Hoover.com.